In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up in Shopify Sense theme. The Sense theme is a standard Shopify Online Store 2.0 theme, which means most Shopify-compatible pop-up apps will work right out of the box, with no coding required. I'll walk you through the process, explain the key settings, and share a few tips so your pop-up looks great and behaves the way you expect. Start in your Shopify admin. Head to Apps, then open the Shopify App Store. Search for a pop-up app that clearly supports Online Store 2.0 and mentions compatibility with Sense or Shopify themes in general. Popular options include Kind Pop-up, which integrates smoothly without theme code edits, Simple Pop-up for a straightforward modal, and broader toolkits from providers like Elfsight or POWR. Pick an app that matches your goals, whether that's collecting emails, announcing a discount, or highlighting a new collection, and install it. Once it's installed, open the app to configure your pop-up. Add the core content first, your headline, supporting text, and any image or icon. Keep your message short and focused so it's easy to read at a glance. Next, choose the trigger. Common choices are on page load for instant visibility, exit intent to catch visitors as they're about to leave, or after scroll to engage people who have already started browsing. If your app offers timing controls or frequency caps, set them so customers aren't overwhelmed. Showing it once per session or after a short delay often works well. You can also select which pages to include or exclude, and decide whether to show it on desktop, mobile, or both. Make sure there's a clear close button so visitors can easily dismiss the pop-up. Before you preview, go to your theme editor to make sure the app embed is turned on. Open Online Store, then Themes, click Customize, and look for the App Embeds or App Blocks panel. Find your pop-up app in the list and toggle it on. This step activates the app's script so the pop-up can load on your storefront. Save your changes. Now it's time to test. Visit your storefront in a new browser tab and trigger the pop-up based on the settings you chose. If you set it to show on scroll down. If it's exit intent, move your cursor toward the top of the window. Test on mobile too to confirm spacing and button sizes look good. If you don't see it right away, clear your browser cache or try a private window. When everything looks solid, you're done. Your pop-up is live in the Sense theme.